Are you a Luddite? Are you paralyzed by imposter syndrome? I can help. Unfortunately, I do not have the cure, but I will be glad to share with you my top tips on how to increase the quantity and, more importantly, quality of your writing output. One tool that has helped me with my writing is a program by the name of Scrivener. I don't have anything to do with the developer, but I'm a big fan. In my workshop, I would like to share with you some of the basic features and benefits of Scrivener that can help you move from publish or perish to publish and flourish.